Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 2C polynomial from Rs Aggrawal. If one of the zero of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1 is 2 plus root 3, write the other. So you know the quadratic equation is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So in this a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is minus of minus 4 by 1. As they have given one of the 0, that means let's take it alpha is 2 plus root 3. By putting the value of alpha, 2 plus root 3 plus beta equals to 4. So beta comes out to be 4 minus 2 minus root 3, which is 2 minus root 3. So the other 0 is 2 minus root 3. The next question, find the 0 of the polynomial x square plus x minus b plus 1. So by factorization we can find the 0 of this polynomial. So what is the equation given? X square plus x minus b plus 1. So product is this. So by factorizing it, how will factorize? X square plus b plus 1 x minus bx minus b plus 1 equals to 0. Now taking x common, what you will get? X inside the bracket b plus 1 and minus b common, x and inside the bracket b plus 1 equals to 0. So x minus b and x plus b plus 1 equals to 0. So one of the root is positive b, another one is minus b plus 1. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus m plus 3. Okay. So now in this, what is your product? m plus 3, and what is your sum? Minus 3x. So x square minus 3x minus m plus 3. Again by factorizing it, we will get the values of 0 of this polynomial. So x square minus m plus 3 x plus mx minus m plus 3, okay, is equal to 0. So taking x common, you will get x minus m plus 3, and taking m common, you will get x minus m plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so x minus m plus 3 and x plus m equals to 0. So one of the root is minus m and another one is m plus 3. So as you see in this, your 3 is negative. So that's why m plus 3x will come first and other will be positive. Let's start the next question. If alpha and beta are the 0 of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta equals to 6 and alpha into beta is 4, write the polynomial. So what is the equation of the polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now what you know? Alpha plus beta is 6 and alpha into beta is 4. So just put the value x square minus 6x plus 4. This is the required polynomial for the equation. So in the next question, question number 5th. If one 0 of the quadratic polynomial kx square plus 3x plus k is 2, then find the value of k. So one root of the quadratic polynomial means if we put the value of x in that, we should get it is equal to 0 because it is the root. That means it is a factor of it. So just put the value of x as 2. So 3 into 2 plus k equals to 0. So 4k plus k equals to minus 6. So 5k equals to minus 6 and k comes out to be minus 6 by 5. Let's do the next one. Alpha and beta are the 0 of the polynomial 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Write the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So what is your quadratic equation again? Ax square plus bx plus c. So b is what? 7, a is what? 2 and c is what? 5. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is minus 7 by 2 and alpha into beta is 5 by 2. So what they are asking, alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Just put the values, minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which is minus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, let's start the next one. Write the 0 of the quadratic polynomial 6x square minus 3. So 6x square minus 3 equals to 0. So x square is equal to 3 by 6. So x square is equal to 1 by 2, or x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So these are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, plus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. So next question, question number 20. Write the 0 of the quadratic polynomial 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 equals to 0. So what is the product in this? Product is 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3, which gives you 24. And what is the sum you are getting? Sum is 5. Okay. So 24, how did you get 24? 8 3s are 24. So 4 root 3x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 equals to 0. Taking 4 common and x common, you will get inside root 3 plus root 3x plus 2, and again taking root 3 common minus root 3, you will get root 3x plus 2. So root 3x plus 2 and 4x minus root 3 equals to 0. So root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So x comes out to be minus 2 by root 3, and here x comes out to be root 3 by 4. So these are the 0 of the polynomials. Let's start the next one. If alpha and beta are the 0 of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1, the value of k. Okay. So again, we know quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So what is alpha plus beta from this equation? Minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is minus of minus 5, which is 1. Correct. So alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha minus beta is 1. So by adding both the equation, what you will get? 2 alpha is equal to 6 and alpha is equal to 3. If alpha is equal to 3, then beta is 2. Correct. So now alpha into beta is what? C by a. So alpha into beta from the equation x square minus 5x plus k, c is what? K, and a is what? 1. And what is the value of alpha and beta we got? 3 and 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to k. So k comes out to be 6. Let's start the next one. If alpha and beta are the 0 of the polynomial 6x square plus x minus 2, find the value of alpha by beta by alpha. So from this equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So what is alpha plus beta? Is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is what? Minus 1 by 6. And alpha into beta is what? Minus 2 by 6, which is minus 1 by 3. Now what they are asking? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Correct. Now taking the LCM of this, what we are getting? Alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. But we don't know the value of alpha square plus beta square. But we know one identity in which alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Correct. We know the identity alpha plus beta whole square, which is equal to what? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So if we subtract minus 2 alpha beta, we will get alpha plus beta whole square. And we know what is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 6 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 1 by 3 divided by alpha beta, which is minus 1 by 3. Okay. So from this 1 by 36 plus 2 by 3 by minus 1 by 3. Now when you take the LCM, what you will get? 36 will be the LCM. So 24 plus 1 by 36 into 3 by minus 1, which gives you minus 25 by 12. Okay, so this is your answer for this question. Let's do the next one. If alpha and beta are the 0 of the polynomial 5x squared minus 7x plus 1, find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So again, the equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. Quadratic equation is always written in this form. So from this equation, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. What is the value of b in your equation? It is minus of minus 7 and a is what? 5. So alpha plus beta is what? 7 by 5. And alpha into beta is what? C by a. So what is c in your equation, which is 1, and a is 5. Now you know alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. What we need to find? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Take the LCM, alpha plus beta by alpha beta. You know the value of both, alpha plus beta. Put 7 by 5 divided by 1 by 5, which gives you 7. So the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 7.